Do you dream of working in Norway, but confused about how to get a job offer, apply for a visa, or avoid getting scammed? In this video, I'm going to share the complete, step-by-step process for getting a Norway Work Visa from job searching to final visa approval. And yes, if you're serious about moving abroad, make sure to watch till the end. I'll also tell you about my udi.no Masterclass, where I personally guide you through the whole process. Step 1. Job search. The first step is to find a job in Norway. You can use these official websites, nav.no, workinnorway.no, or eures.europa.eu, finn.no. These are real platforms where Norwegian employers post verified job openings. Top in-demand jobs in Norway include Nurse-Chefstra and Delivery Driver Sweldersmans Workersit Professionals. Step 2. CV and Cover Letter. Norway uses a different CV format: clean, professional, and role-specific. Your cover letter also needs to be short and customized for the job you're applying to. I've included ready-to-edit templates for Norwegian CVs and cover letters in my udi.no course, so you don't have to start from scratch. Step 3. Apply for jobs. Now start applying for jobs with your updated documents. The key is to apply consistently, and the employer may schedule an interview or directly send a job offer.
Step 4. Get job offer. A job offer is mandatory to apply for a Norway Work Visa. Without it, you can't move forward with the visa process. That's why job hunting is the most important part of this journey. Step 5. Visa application. Once you have your job offer, go to udi.no. This is Norway's official immigration site. You'll fill out the online visa form and submit the required documents, such as passport, job offer letter, academic and work experience proofs. Proof of accommodation if not provided by employer. Visa processing usually takes 1 to 3 months. Norway's system is transparent but strict. One wrong document and your visa may get delayed or rejected. Course promotion plus personal help. If all of this feels overwhelming, I've created a complete masterclass for just $299 to help you out. You'll get genuine job websites, Norwegian-style CV and cover letter templates, step-by-step visa guide, interview tips and real examples, full checklist of documents, and most importantly, my personal guidance. Just send me a message on Instagram at Norway Info Desk and I'll help you get started. I'll personally reply and guide you. You're not alone in this journey. Final tips and Outro Plus. Moving to Norway on a work visa is 100% possible if you follow the right path. Be consistent, avoid scams, and prepare your profile properly. Subscribe for more real and practical guides, no false promises, only clear information. Want my help? DM me on Instagram at Norway Info Desk. Let's make your Norway dream come true, together.